Citation managers are tools that help you organize your references, create bibliographies, and save time. Citation managers will save, store, and organize your research articles. They also help with formatting and keeping your citations consistent across your work. Using a citation manager makes the research process smoother. Whether you are writing a paper or working on a group project, these tools can help you stay organized and avoid citation errors. University of Alabama Libraries provides general support for 4 citation managers: Zotero, RefWorks, EndNote, and Mendeley. Zotero is free, open source, and user-friendly, especially for those new to citation managers. RefWorks is only available through a web browser, which can be convenient for users working on shared or public devices. EndNote offers advanced features and lots of customization, making it a strong choice for more in-depth research. Mendeley includes a feature that automatically adds PDFs placed in a designated watched folder to your library. Most of these citation managers offer browser extensions that let you save sources directly from websites and databases with one click. RefWorks and EndNote are available through the UA institutional license and are tied to your university account. This license provides access to premium features, including increased cloud storage for full-text documents. Zotero, EndNote, and Mendeley have mobile apps. These apps are great for quick access on the go, like checking a reference, reading an article, or adding a new source. Each tool has its strengths. It's important to think about your own research needs and what features matter most to you. Citation generators, in comparison, create one citation at a time, usually from a form you fill out. These often contain errors like missing information or incorrect formatting. These do not save your work and lack organization. Once you close the tab, your work is gone. While citation generators may be useful for quick tasks, citation managers are a better long-term solution. They help you keep track of saved sources, organize your research, and save time when writing. Always double-check your citations using the UA Library's citation guide or a citation-style handbook before turning in your work. If you have any questions, visit ask.lib.ua.edu or give us a call at 205-348-6047. We are here to help.